Hi, George Newitt from Trusted Rentals here. Today we're demonstrating my new machine, my Cat 287B. Its ability to load a 10-wheel dump truck. Track machine. It's got 3,700 hours on it. Pretty handy to load a dump truck. Got plenty of reach. The last machine I had was a 277B, a little bit smaller than this, about 10% smaller than this machine here. Pretty handy to have on jobs for materials transport. We don't have much room on this side, so we have to load the dumper from the back. Kind of a pain in the neck, but that's what it is. This particular job, we went to go relocate this drainage ditch that goes around the property, and the entire backyard was mud, like clay mud, like the equipment all sank out of sight. So we had to remove 5 loads of material, brought in some bank run gravel, some clean sand so it drains, basically rebuilt the entire grade elevation of the backyard. That's it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it.